Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my Doge Army, my Doge hodlers. Hopefully, every single one of you guys is having a wonderfully blessed, safe day. This is your boy Jaime G, and y'all know what time it is. It's that Wild West Cryptoland time, guys, where we talk about Doge and overall crypto market news. None of this is ever financial advice. Just me sharing my thoughts, opinions, nothing more, nothing less. Now, if you take it as financial advice, you're in a whole lot of trouble because shit, I am definitely not your financial advisor. Now, you guys ready to find out what's all good in the Doge hood? Without further ado, let's dive into the markets. All right, guys, Bitcoin sitting at 5.8. We are up 5.8% for the day. We're sitting at 44,121.63 cents. Now, you guys already know what's going on in the markets, guys. Markets are on fire. Everything pretty much is in the green. And why do we love green? Because that's the color of money, baby. The color of dinero. You know what I mean? So everything is pumping, guys, as you can see right here on CoinMarketCap. Granted, there might be a a couple here and there that are in the red, but for the most part, everything is in the damn green. Because why? Because good old Grandpa Bitcoin is doing his thing. All right, now let's dive into Dogecoin, right? Now, guys, I told you we were going to take number 10 spot back sooner than later, and we definitely gave Polkadot the boot, baby, and we are back on number 10. We are currently sitting at, excuse me, 0.1686, almost 17 cents, guys. We were up 10.5%, right? Our 24-hour low was 15 cents, and our 24-hour high was 17 cents. Our market cap, guys, is at $22.37 billion, and our volume has gone up substantially from what it was yesterday. We're sitting at $1.8 billion, and yesterday we were at, I think, just a tad bit over $600 million. So just in one day, you do the math. Yes, that's how much we have came up. Now let's dive into the charts, right, guys? Because things are looking bullish and we have a lot to cover in a short amount of time. Now, guys, all right, as you guys know, I've been talking about this symmetrical triangle, right? That's what these two yellow lines, this is a symmetrical triangle, right? I've been talking about it in about 2 or 3 of my videos. And one of my videos in particular, right, I had did the measurement and said that if we broke out to the ups, if we had a bullish breakout to the upside out of the symmetrical triangle, we would go up about 29%. Right now, let's bust out that measurement, and I'm gonna show you where we would kind of land if we since we have this bullish breakout. We aren't too far from that, guys, already. So let me grab my measure, right? So what you do, guys, so those of you that don't know how I'm getting my measurement, I'm gonna show you right now. So you measure from your the bottom of your resistance line and the top of your support line, trend line here at the very back here, right here, right? So I click right here. It lets me do it. Come on, babe. Okay, now everything's acting crazy. Oh, man, come on. Okay, sorry, guys. All right, so go right here, about right. Man, right. I'm trying to get it about right here. Okay, so right, I was trying to get the last red candle, right? So you see 29%, right, guys? So we can have about a 29% breakout to the upside, right, guys? And we've already gained some of that already. So I'll show you, right? So now you come to the tip of this symmetrical triangle, right? You come to the very tip of it right here, and you measure, boom, you click, and then you measure up, right? And you go till you hit 29%, right? And that, oh, let me straighten that out, guys, sorry. My eyeball's crooked. So what does that put us at? About 1.1835, right? And if you look to the left, right, guys, where it says USD, right underneath, right, that's where we had that breakout around January 10th when we had that positive catalyst about Doge or Tesla accepting Doge for their merchandise, right, as a form of payment when we had that breakout, and then we retraced and came back down. But nonetheless, right, guys, that puts us basically right there where we hit, right, when we had this breakout, right? So that is bullish as all get up, right? That's just one technical that is bullish, right? This breakout, and that put us up about a 29% breakout to the upside. Now, I'm not just bringing this up now, because we're breaking out. If you don't believe me, go back about 3 or 4 videos, and I talk about this previously already. It's not like I'm trying to say, oh, look, I broke, this and that now, right? And the reason why I'm trying to point this out, yes, I know I am, a smaller YouTuber than Matt Wallace and, you know, all these other great Doge YouTubers, right? But nonetheless, I do kind of know what I'm talking about, guys. I do my research and I do my due diligence for you guys, so you can have, guys can have developing and breaking news and good technical analysis. You know, I'm still learning, right? But nonetheless, I kind of know what I'm doing. But anyways, all right, now that I put that out, now let's look at resistance and support and some other bullish technicals that we got going on the chart. Hold on, guys. All right. Okay, guys, so now let's talk about some other technicals before we actually get into support and resistance. Now, if you see these two red lines here, let me open this up more, right, guys? So now what do you see, guys, right? There's two lines here. Those are two different moving averages, right? So we got, let me get my scribbler, guys, here. So this bottom one here, guys, that is the 8-day moving average, and this one above here is the 21-day moving average. Now, as you can see, right, we broke above these, right? We reclaimed both of these moving averages 3 days ago, right? So that is bullish as well. And not just that, if you see right here, guys, you see a cross, right? Now, the 8-day moving average crossed over the 21-day moving average. Now, that is a bullish technical as well. So now we have this bullish technical, this crossover, right, from the 8-day crossing over the 21-day moving average, and also us reclaiming these two moving averages, right? So that is bullish as well, right? Not just that, guys. Now, let's get rid of this stuff here. Right, let me get rid of these lines here. And we also reclaimed the 50-day moving average, guys. We did that today when we had our breaking out, right? So now let me bring this down a little bit here. Now let me bring out, excuse me here, let me bring out the 50-day moving average. Boom. Now, as you can see, right, we broke above that, guys, right here. You see that? Right here, right? Obviously, we have broken this red line is the 50-day moving average, and hopefully we have reclaimed it as support, right? Because it was acting as a pretty aggressive area of resistance for us. But nonetheless, the bulls have reclaimed it, right? So that is bullish as well, right? So now look at it. We have reclaimed 3 moving averages, guys, within a span of 3 to 4 days, right? And we have broken out of this symmetrical triangle to a bullish uptrend. So we got a lot of bullish technicals going for us, not including the fundamental technicals that we got going as well. Now, one last thing here on the charts, right? I'm going a little longer than I wanted to, but I'm excited and I want to continuously show you guys all the bullish stuff that we got going on this is the daily chart, guys, so you guys know. Alrighty, here, let me get rid of this here. Now I just wanted to bust out the Bollinger Band real quick, and then I'm done with the technicals, right? Now, if we bust out the Bollinger Bands, guys, now as you can see, right, we are sitting on top of this middle Bollinger Band. So anytime you're above the middle Bollinger Bands, that is bullish. So we got that going as well. And not just that, we have broke above the upper Bollinger Band as well, right? That is more than 5 bullish technicals going for us on the daily time frame, right, guys? So the point I'm trying to get at by showing you all these technicals, guys, is that Dogecoin for now is looking bullish as all get up. Now, things can change, guys, if Bitcoin, the big dog, grandpa, you know what I mean, starts to dip and loses its steam and its momentum and starts to trend back down, then the overall crypto markets is going to come down with it. But as long as Bitcoin continues to push up aggressively like it is, well, Dogecoin is going to continue to push up as well. And the bulls have been putting a lot of trading volume as well. So we got a lot of things going for us as well. And on the fundamental side, what we're going to get into here in a second, we got a lot going for us as well. All right, guys. Now, that's what I had as far as the charts goes. Please let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. Now, let's dive into some Doge news, right? Thank you if you're still with me, because I know I took long. All right, so let's dive into this article here first. I don't think I'm going to be able to cover some overall crypto market news, guys. It's already 8 minutes. It says Dogecoin hodlers growing danishly, making a new all-time high. Almost 8K new hodlers joining daily. Now it says on average, 8,000 new hodlers seem to accumulate Dogecoin, aiming the hunger for the meme coin is on the rise. Now it says the recent BSC scan data suggests that the desire for Dogecoin is at a peak, as daily about 8,000 new addresses on average are joining and accumulating Doge, a leading canine-themed meme coin. Guys, so obviously the Doge community is growing around 8,000 members a day. This is bullish, guys, and this is huge. Now, it says the recent data provided by BSC Scan Data demonstrates that at the moment, 309 wallets are holding Dogecoin. Right, guys? It was just at 489,000 when we had broke an all-time high, right, guys? A new milestone. Well, now this is another milestone, guys, right? We're at 529 now, guys. Over 500,000 wallets. This is huge, right? This is positive. Now it says, this figure standing at 486.9 on February 2nd. There you go. This means 42,870 new holders have arrived on the scene within the past 5 days. Now, if this isn't bullish and it doesn't excite you, I don't know what to tell you. Now it says, if we take an average and want to know how many new holders are coming in to grab Doge per day, that calculation would seem like this, right? And it breaks it down. That's about 8,500 per day, guys. This calculation indicates that Dogecoin is about to rise and might break its ongoing downtrend in the coming few days or weeks. Guys, we have already broke our downtrend, guys, and we are definitely in a uptrend, right? It says, on the other hand, Whale Stats data reveals that the top 1,000 BNB wallets now hold 324.2 million of Doge, valued at $47.7 million. However, the price of Doge hasn't improved. Bullshit, we have improved. Now, this item, it says hasn't improved much yet. Time of writing stands at 0.156, right, guys? But obviously, we are right now at 0.168, baby. So that, discard all that, guys, but all the other good stuff. Now, let's get into our next article here, guys. But before I dive into that, guys, this is huge news, right, guys? Because, you know what I mean? We're growing at 88,500 new Doge members a day, guys. Like I said, if this doesn't excite you, then what the fuck? Wake up! You gotta be excited! Woo woo! Oh, oh, Doge to the moon, baby! Now, since Dogecoin surges higher, Elon Musk marks anniversary of a meme. Will another bull run begin? Now, it says Dogecoin was surging almost 9% higher on Monday, right? CEO Elon Musk used the opportunity to resurface a post of a meme on Twitter he had made exactly 1 year ago today. The image was a Photoshop scene from Walt Disney's 1994 version of The Lion King. Elon Musk is holding up Kiss, Bassett Gene Simmons, who is holding up Snoop Dogg, who in turn is hoisting a Shiba Inu in the air. Musk, who is a Dogecoin bull, brought the image to the top of his Twitter timeline by commenting under it with a laughing emoji. Now, guys, this time last year, Doge bust up through to 73-cent level, right, which was near the beginning of a massive bull run that brought the crypto up 1,175% from the date to an all-time high of 73 cents on May 8th. On Sunday, Dogecoin's official Twitter page hit a milestone with over 3 million followers. The record number of social media users following Dogecoin may indicate there is an increasing number of traders and investors trading the crypto, which could account for why Dogecoin has been moving higher over the last few days. Now, guys, you know what I mean? We hit a milestone with followers of Dogecoin. We hit a milestone with freaking Dogecoin hodlers, right, guys, at an average of 8,500 a day. Man, I know I keep saying that. I'm just so excited, guys. Now, it says the interest in the crypto sector was renewed recently after Bitcoin and Ethereum reversed course into an uptrend, indicating the crypto market may be reversing course back into a bull cycle. Now, guys, we got a lot of stuff going. I broke out the technicals for you guys to show you, what was going on. Oh, shit. I didn't even get to resistance and support, man. My bad. Now, guys, resistance is at the 100-day moving average, guys. Now, let me retrace back here, guys, and get this into you, and I'll close out. All right, so now let me get rid of the Bollinger Bands here. Oh, the Bollinger Bands. Come on. I got to move this out of the way. Okay. Let's get rid of the Bollinger Bands. Now let's get a moving average. Now resistance is coming in at this 50-day moving average, right, guys? So let me bust out the 100-day moving average because that is our support or resistance, right, guys? Go. Okay, so now let me shrink this up. Now, as you can see, the 50-day moving average is the bottom red line, right, guys? And that is coming in at 16 cents, okay, guys? It's coming in, well, I'll show you the actual technical numbers if you guys want to be technical, okay? It's coming in at 0.1608, so that's 16 cents, right? Now, the 100-day moving average is coming in at 0.1886. Now, that's 19 cents in my opinion. You round that up. It's closer to 19 than it is 18, okay? So support, once again, is at the 50-day moving average, 16 cents, and 100-day moving average is our next level of strong resistance, which is coming in at 19 cents. All right, guys, you guys have a wonderfully blessed Monday. Sorry that I wasn't able to get you guys some overall crypto market news. Maybe I'll bust a video out later this evening. But DOGEARMY, continue to stay bullish, stay strong. Diamond hands, baby. Your boy Jaime G is out. Dogecoin to the moon, baby. $1. Here we come. Peace out, guys.